Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Prestun Tunsong hak arpsan terik benai leber ula play ke jingkiang Bailey Bridge hadwar ksuj ke bahab apok Umroi constituency. Hagani ke jingple pat ba ke jingkiang narle dan rengkat ru ke Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Ribhoi ikong RM Kurba u MLA ke Umroi ba George Bilingdo u MLA ke Soyong ba Samnin Malnyang ki head officer ke tenat PWD Roads ki head jangka Border Roads Organisation bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba Preston Tunsong uloong banamar ke jingsong senjor ke jingkiang dwar ksuj ke sorkar bat ke National Highway Authority of India kelasnai ke jingkiang nar ke Bashipor bat ke Border Roads Organisation kelasimpor tang sansngi ban siang bat pendat ikinar jong ke jingkiang. Uloong badakan ke jingple ke jingkiang on syak no mardor ki kali ketmar baniat ke jingkiang bat kimar ki mata kebakila ban ket kan long hapok saupo metric ton bat ki pulet ken pahara ke jaka ban peniat ki kali ke jingkiang nar. Uba Preston Tunsong uloong balapan kam tiru ha ke Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Ribhoi banwat ke jaka ke babiang bantai ya ke jingkiang ke bapaka.
Thanksgiving. So I, on behalf of NHI, would like to convey my heart.
Ultimately, state government jointly with the National Highway Authority of India, we have taken a decision that we will have a temporary alternative, and ultimately we are able to complete this Bailey Bridge. And I would like to place on record, number one, the chief engineer of the PRO. They are the one who did a fabulous job. Within 5 days' time, I think they laid this bridge, as you have all seen it, you have all witnessed it. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that the plying of loaded vehicles will start immediately when we leave this place. Number two, well, the state government, along with the National Highway Authority of India, we are still working out about the existing RCC bridge, whether we'll be able to make it again functional or not. That we still dependable upon the technical detail report submitted by the expert, and then the Ministry of Road Transport will take a call on that. And then for a permanent solution, let me just tell you, now district administration has been asked to identify alternative permanent alignment, where the deputy commissioner will be on the job identifying the place and then processing of land acquisition and all. So that will take maybe a little time, but as I said to you, right now temporarily we'll be able to utilize again these bridges, both for the empty loaded vehicles. We will allow them to ply through this old as existing RCC bridge, and then the loaded trucks will ply through the Bailey Bridge. And the capacity of this bridge is 40 metric ton. 40 metric ton. Okay, do you have any question? Yes, from tonight itself, the district administration, along with the office of the SP Ribhoi district, they will regulate, because this one is a one-way. It's a one-way, up and down, and then the police will station here 24/7.